What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I call this pot as the pigeon leaf propagation pot because this one was the one that was damaged the most, and there were a lot of leaves that were fallen in this, and you can see the beak marks. They have pecked the succulents, and I left the leaf propagations in the pot itself because it didn't make any sense to take them out. And I know that Graptopetalum ghost is a very easy growing succulent from leaf propagation. The leaves also tend to get propagated very fast. Now, because there was so much of damage on this particular pot, I had not watered them because there were a lot of cuts, and so the leaves were left in it as it is. But today when I was just taking a look, I noticed that most of them, or I would say all of them, have started to root and pup. So I will be taking them out one by one. So I already have a small tray. You can see it's a very shallow container that we are going to be using for the leaf propagation. This contains 50% coco peat and 50% of garden soil. So we will just take them out one by one. I will show you the roots as well. You can see the pup and the roots. So we're just going to lay them on the top layer of soil. So that's about it. I will be going ahead and watering this in some time. Also wanted to show you, I don't remember when did I put these leaf propagations in this. When I was just cleaning the shelf area, I found that this was right at the back. I don't even know when I had put them in, and most of them have already started to put out pups, which is amazing. This is Marpin. This is Graptopetalum Lovely Rose. Two of them have pup and roots. That's amazing, but this one is still very slow. Probably this might not, I'm not very sure, but we have two. This one is Graptopetalum, the smaller ones. These are Graptopetalum Pink Rosa. The chubby ones have not done anything, even though they have so much of water in their leaves. But they will be on the way soon, because you can see this end is turning dark pink in color, which indicates that they will shoot out some roots. Again, another pink rosa. I have to propagate a lot of pink rosa because that is one of my favorite. Then the Cotyledon orbiculata has also not rooted. I think this one was broken because of the pigeons, but they have not propagated, which is absolutely fine. Graptopetalum superbum, which is also not propagated yet. I won't be mixing them. I'm just going to keep them in this for some time. Probably I'll do it later. I will be putting them into the soil. So it all depends upon the succulent, the type of succulent, and the environment and climate. We can't do much. Some of them will propagate faster, some of them will take a longer period of time. Even though I promised myself I won't be doing any leaf propagations this year, but when you have a lot of succulents, when you tend to repot, do cuttings, you end up with leaves like this, and nothing better than to put them for propagation. So these will get propagated, which is going to take a very long time. So even though I said I'm not going to be propagating any leaves, but I already have so many that are waiting to be put into the soil. So that's about it, guys. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep planting.